Here is the line-by-line explanation of William Wordsworth's famous sonnet, composed upon Westminster Bridge, September 3, 1802, from your Class 11 Semester 1 text. Since this is a 14-line Petrarchan sonnet, which doesn't have traditional paragraphs, we will break it down line by line with the English meaning, followed by its Hindi explanation. Line 1. English text. Earth has not anything to show more fair. English meaning. The poet says that there is nothing more beautiful on this entire earth than the view he is seeing from the bridge right now. Hindi explanation. कवि कहते हैं कि इस पूरी धरती पर इससे सुंदर और कुछ भी नहीं है जो इस समय वे इस पुल वेस्टमिंस्टर ब्रिज से देख रहे हैं. Line 2. English text. Dull would he be of soul who could pass by. English meaning. A person would have to be completely soulless, cold or emotionally dead to just walk past this sight without stopping to admire it. Hindi explanation. वो इंसान आत्मा से बिल्कुल सुस्त या भावनाहीन होगा जो इस बेहद खूबसूरत दृश्य को बिना रुके या बिना इसकी तारीफ किए आगे निकल जाए. Line 3. English text. A sight so touching in its majesty. English meaning. The view of the city is so grand, majestic and deeply moving that it touches the heart. Hindi explanation. ये दृश्य अपनी भव्यता और विशालता में इतना दिल को छू लेने वाला है कि किसी का भी मन मोह ले. Line 4. English text. This city now doth like a garment wear. English meaning. The poet uses a metaphor, saying that the city of London seems to be wearing the morning view like a beautiful piece of clothing, garment. Hindi explanation. कवि एक रूपक मेटाफोर का उपयोग करते हुए कहते हैं कि ऐसा लगता है जैसे लंदन शहर ने सुबह के इस शांत वातावरण को एक सुंदर कपड़े, पोशाक की तरह पहन रखा है. Line 5. English text. The beauty of the morning, silent, bare. English meaning. The morning is completely silent and bare, clear, because the shops and factories haven't opened yet, and there is no crowd. Hindi explanation. सुबह का ये सौंदर्य बिल्कुल शांत और स्पष्ट, bare है, क्योंकि अभी तक शहर की हलचल, दुकानें और फैक्ट्रियां शुरू नहीं हुई हैं. Line 6 or 7. English text. Ships, towers, domes, theatres and temples lie open unto the fields and to the sky. English meaning. All the man-made structures, ships on the river, towers, domes, theatres and temples are clearly visible, stretching out openly towards the green fields and up to the clear sky. Hindi explanation. मनुष्य द्वारा बनाई गई सभी चीजें, जैसे जहाज, मीनारें, गुंबद, थिएटर और मंदिर दूर फैले मैदानों और खुले आसमान के नीचे बिल्कुल साफ दिखाई दे रहे हैं. Line 8. English text. All bright and glittering in the smokeless air. English meaning. Everything is shining and glittering because it is early morning, and the air is completely free of smoke from factories or chimneys. Hindi explanation. सब कुछ चमक रहा है क्योंकि सुबह का समय है और हवा कारखानों या चिमनियों के धुएं से बिल्कुल मुक्त साफ है. Line 9 or 10. English text. Never did sun more beautifully steep in his first splendor, valley, rock or hill. English meaning. The poet feels that even nature's own valleys, rocks and hills have never been soaked, steeped in such beautiful morning sunlight as the city is right now. Hindi explanation. कवि को लगता है कि सूर्य ने कभी भी अपनी सुबह की पहली किरणों से किसी घाटी, चट्टान या पहाड़ी को इतना सुंदर नहीं चमकाया होगा, जितना सुंदर वह इस समय इस शहर को चमका रहा है. Line 11. English text. Ne'er saw I, never felt, a calm so deep. English meaning. Wordsworth says he has never seen or felt such a profound, deep and peaceful calmness in his entire life. Hindi explanation. Wordsworth कहते हैं कि उन्होंने अपने पूरे जीवन में इतनी गहरी और असीम शांति और न ही कभी महसूस की थी. Line 12. English text. The river glideth at his own sweet will. English meaning. The river Thames is flowing gently and smoothly at its own peaceful pace, undisturbed by boats or ships. Hindi explanation. टेम्स नदी, रिवर थेम्स, अपनी मर्जी से बिल्कुल शांत और सहज रूप से बह रही है, क्योंकि अभी उसमें जहाज़ों की कोई हलचल नहीं है. Line 13. English text. Dear God. The very houses seem asleep. English meaning. In wonder, the poet calls out to God, saying that even the houses look like they are fast asleep, because the people inside haven't woken up yet. Hindi explanation. आश्चर्य से भरकर कवि ईश्वर को याद करते हुए कहते हैं कि ऐसा लगता है जैसे ये घर भी सो रहे हैं, क्योंकि घरों के अंदर रहने वाले लोग अभी तक जागे नहीं हैं. Line 14. English text. And all that mighty heart is lying still. English meaning. London is like a giant living being, and its mighty heart, the busy city life, is currently completely still, quiet and resting before the frantic day begins. हिंदी explanation. लंदन शहर एक विशाल जीव की तरह है और इसका शक्तिशाली हृदय, शहर की धड़कन भागदौड़, इस समय पूरी तरह से शांत और थमा हुआ है.